So since I'm at home, I have like free range of my mum's makeup box, so we are trying out 2 new primers today. We've got the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and we also have the That Gal Benefit Primer too. Pumps on the back of your hand, and just gonna smooth that over my face. We're gonna go in with the That Gal, just kind of more on my cheeks to give me a bit more radiance. I'm gonna set my primer now with the Coty airspun powder, and I learnt this trick from Jackie Aina, and honestly I only set my nose area and my T-zone because I just feel like it covers my pores a lot more. And now I'm going in with my Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in the shade Sand Beige, and I'm literally one pop on the back of my hand, then dot it around my face. NYX buffing brush, but just gonna buff it all away. Make sure you really blend it into the hairline. There's nothing worse than silly marks across the face where the foundation is not blended. And then we're gonna take a beauty sponge, whatever sponge you have. Mine's dampened, and I just like to bounce it on my skin and really like press the foundation into my face. Now we're going in with our collection Lasting Perfection Concealer, and mine is in the shade Warm Medium. That's my new one that I still haven't opened yet because I am determined to, like, I don't know if you can see how empty that is, but like it's just knackered. I'm determined to get all of the product out there and get my like £4 worth out of this. And I usually warm it up with like, is that the index finger? This finger? I don't know, I just kind of pat it all in and then I blend it out properly with my sponge. Added a little bit more here because I feel like I needed a little bit more brightness there, so I'm going to blend all that out now with my sponge. And to set that, I'm going to take my Coty airspun powder again on my sponge and pat it underneath. I'm also going to take some on my sponge and put it on my small lines. And then I'm going to be taking my NYX No Filter finishing powder in the shade Honey Beige. And what I'm going to do is, I don't really, do you know what, ever since like a couple months I don't apply my powders with a brush really anymore, apart from if it's like to set an eye or something. But I'm going to take the flat end of my sponge and just give it a little dip in there, and then just like press it onto my cheek area. And now to do my brows, I'm taking the Alio Dot Brown Eyebrow Pomade, and I'm just going to run that through my brows. I'm going to do that off camera though because it's quite difficult to do off camera, so I'll see you in a sec. See the difference the brow makes. Right, that's brows done. So I use, for my brows, in case you're wondering, I use the Morphe M165. I also use the Morphe M158, which is like a double-ended brush. I use this side obviously to brush through, and I use this side to apply concealer underneath my brow to sharpen them. And then I used my concealer to cut underneath, and then I'm taking my Plouise base and I'm just gonna whack that all over my eyelid. And then I take this Morphe brush. It's from the brush collection. It's got the striped tube case. Oh, I don't know what it's called, but yeah, I'm just gonna take this and then pat it all about. Right, I'm gonna go in with, I think we're gonna go with Trippin', just to kind of set a little bit. So we're just dusting it over the inner portion of my eye really, because that's the only bit that I tend to crease over. Scoot you a little bit closer. Take the shade Bestie from here. By the way, we're using my Plouise palette. Got this, I don't know, it's like a blending brush, but it's like dome and it's really quite densely packed. And I like to do this to pack shades on the inner outside, the outer edge. Tip off that excess, and we are literally just gonna put it right here. Okay, to warm this up a little bit, I think I'm gonna go in with Plouise just here, and we're gonna run that just through this part, mainly on my brow bone, just because I like a bit of yellow. I'm gonna now take this makeup eyeshadow brush. I think it's from the Body Shop. I don't know where I got this. Just kind of, you know when those brushes just magically appear in your collection. And then I'm gonna take a latte, just transition it between the really dark brown and the rest of the lid. The same brush that we used the yellow before, and I just kind of wiggled it between them, like on the flat bit here, so they were like blend, 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 and then I just put it through. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take that Plouise base again. We're gonna do like kind of like a little mini half cut crease, just so that our gold will go on a little bit better. And I'm taking this little tiny paintbrush, so precise. Literally, as soon as I thought, hey, let's use a little paintbrush, my cut crease has got like amazing. This Kiko shadow. It's one of the long-lasting wet and dry shadows, and it's this lovely gold. It's just the shade 208, but look how stunning that is. That is so nice. Anyway, get on another paintbrush. I'm gonna spray with a little bit of laying that flat and then blending it out. I'll just kind of build up the colours that we've lost on the outer edge. I'm going to go back in with the latte. Now we're going to do like our lower lash line. Basically, same thing. We're going to do a little bit of dark brown here and then the lighter brown to blend it out. Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Gel Drama in the shade 01 Black, and I just put that on top of my eyes and in my waterline, and then I also smoked out my bottom lash line with latte and Bestie. Look at these beauties. I got these from Autumn Hope Lashes on Instagram, and I've literally been following her for so long. I don't even know how we like started following each other, but she does the nicest lashes and she's such a lovely person, like so nice. These are in the style AHO 32 and they're just a really lovely wispy lash. This is like what the lash looks like with its two here. I'm obsessed, they're so pretty. Going in with my Volume Stylist mascara from Essence. In a corner highlight, we're going to take this shade here from Makeup Geek, which is called In the Spotlight. We are going in with this shade right here, which is Shimmer Shimmer. the brow bone as well. The NYX contour and highlight palette, and we're gonna go in with this shade here. In this shade, and the contour. And we're gonna bronze up. I'm gonna go in with this pink here and this orange here. It's just a real nice wash of colour. So gonna go in with this like goldy shade just on top of that. Just why not? I wanna glow, so. For lips, we're going in with two. We're using the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Exotic and the Maybelline Vivid Matte lipstick in Nude Thrill. We're using Exotic as kind of more like a lip liner than an actual lipstick, just because Nude Thrill is just a little bit too nude for me. Yeah, that's lipstick. And get a little bit of Fix Plus. So yeah, this is the finished look, guys. And I wasn't actually intending to go for the cut crease, but you know, it's like the best one I've ever done, and I am living for these eyelashes. I'll put Autumn Hopes like Instagram here, and that's where I got these from, and they were so nice. I think they retail for about £12, but she's so good. Like, shipping comes really quick, and she's so lovely, and she's always got maybe offers on, and yeah, really good. That's it then. Thanks for joining me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the look. I hope you enjoyed watching me. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram _beautyinthebooks_ and check out my blog spot, which is beautyinthebooks with 2 S's .blogspot.co.uk. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment below any other ideas you want me to do, anything book related. You can see all of this madness behind me. Actually, where is it? Oh, it's over there. I just bought Restore Me, so I will be doing a video on that soon once I've finished it. And I think that's it. I just keep thinking about the stuff to tell you. I'm like, I've got so much to do now. So yeah, I think that's all we got. But don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below if you've got any ideas that you want me to do, or message me on Instagram and that sort of stuff. If you've got any books for me to review, just let's have a chat. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. This outro is being really long.